Welcome, I'm Mrs. C, and this is Math Defined. Today we're learning how to factor out a negative number in an algebraic expression. Let's get into it. Factoring is the same as dividing. So when you are asked to factor out a number, you are being asked to divide it out of each term in the expression. So here we have the expression negative 4p plus 10, and we're being asked to factor out a negative 2. As I mentioned before, factoring involves dividing, so we'll divide each term by negative 2. Starting with negative 4p, dividing it by negative 2 gives us positive 2p. And then dividing positive 10 by negative 2 gives us negative 5. Next, we'll put these terms in parentheses with the factor we divided out, negative 2, on the outside. And we're done. Let's factor negative 6 out of 18z minus 15. Since factoring is dividing, we'll divide each term by negative 6. Positive 18z divided by negative 6 is negative 3z. And then we'll divide negative 15 by negative 6. So negative 15 divided by negative 6 is a fraction. And because both the numerator and the denominator are negative, this fraction becomes positive 15 over 6. Now we can reduce it by dividing both the numerator and the denominator by the shared factor of 3. And 15 divided by 3 is 5, and 6 divided by 3 is 2. So dividing negative 15 by negative 6 results in positive 5 over 2. Finally, we'll put these terms in parentheses with the factor we divided out, negative 6, on the outside. In this next expression, we're going to factor out a fraction, negative 1/4. Now don't let fractions overwhelm you. The process is still the same. So the first step is to divide both terms by negative 1/4. Now we have a pair of complex fractions to solve. But don't worry, these are just division problems. We'll start with negative 1/2 divided by negative 1/4. In order to divide this pair of fractions, we need to multiply by the reciprocal. Next, I see that I can cancel the 2 and the 4 because they share a common factor of 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1, and 4 divided by 2 is 2. Now we'll multiply the numerators. Negative 1 times negative 2 is positive 2, and then the denominators, 1 times 1 is 1. And we'll simplify 2 over 1 to just 2. So negative 1/2 x divided by negative 1/4 is positive 2x. Now let's divide negative 5/4 by negative 1/4. Again, we need to multiply by the reciprocal. Next, we see the 4's cancel each other out. Multiplying the numerators, negative 5 times negative 1 is positive 5, and then the denominators, 1 times 1 is 1, giving us 5 over 1, which simplifies to just 5. So negative 5/4 y divided by negative 1/4 gives us positive 5y. Don't forget to bring down the variables with the terms here. It is so easy to forget them. We'll put these terms in parentheses with the factor we divided out, negative 1/4, on the outside. And we're done. Thanks for watching, and I hope all these examples helped you out. And until next time, keep math awesome.